scientifically proven that the more we write, the more we learn. There are times we feel कि why to waste the time? Let's take the Xerox, है ना? आपके दोस्त ने नोट्स बनाए हैं और आप उसका Xerox लेके बोलोगे हमारे पास एकदम बढ़िया नोट्स हैं. नोट्स वो होते हैं जो हमें समझ में आए. Point number 2 is to use the flow charts, diagrams, formula sheets and other important things. Mind maps also will come into this. One chapter you give maximum of 2 pages or 1 page for sure. Hi there, welcome to Akash Baiju's NEET channel. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you all in today's very important session where we will be discussing about that's how you can make notes for your examination. If you are preparing for JEE or NEET, this session is really very important for you because we will be discussing all about notes. What are notes? What are the different types of notes? How you can make notes and most importantly, what are the mistakes that we should avoid while making the notes? So everyone, please make sure you stay with us till the end because we have so much for us to share with you. So if you are leaving in between, you might miss some of the important information. So please make sure you stay with us. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button for the video. And if you're new here, do take a moment and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's get started. So when we talk about the notes, right, we know that they are very critical for the examination like NEET and JEE. And I'm sure you would have heard a lot of people telling you that make notes, they are very important. And there are times we ask ourselves, why notes are important? So let me answer that question first. Notes are really very important because they help us in the revision and they plays a very important role in learning. So let's break it out, right? So when you write or when you have your notes and just before your examination, they actually help you to revise. It's a concise information that you have it with you that you can actually take and roam around. And it is really very good to recap or to revise. So it plays a very important role in the revision just before the examination. And most importantly, here's something which is scientifically proven that the more we write, the more we learn. So if you're solving a question or if you're writing an answer or if you're writing a concept, you will remember that concept for the longest time. So the more you write, the more you learn. So please make sure to take a note of these 2 important points. Now that we are clear that why the notes are important, let's quickly dive into the different types of notes we have. We have 2 types. We have long notes and short notes. We'll be discussing about the long note first. So let's start. When we talk about the long notes, right, they are the regular detailed notes that we write. Now, where are we writing? Of course, we should be writing it in our notebook. Why I'm saying notebook? Again, it's a very, very important scientific thing which is proven. Now, if you're writing your notes, right, in a digital electronic device like iPad, tablet, you might miss it. So when you're writing in your notebook, you have the pen, you have the smell of the notebook with you, and of course, you are writing it down. Your senses are all working together, so you will be able to retain this information for a longer time as compared to the digital notes. So please make sure, go to the shop, buy a notebook and start writing. Talking about writing, when you're making your notes, please make sure to use not more than 2 pens. Of course, we'll use our favorite blue pen, right? And you can use any other pen, black pen, and sometimes red pen to highlight the important words. Now, this of course will be talking in detail, but this is a very important reason for all of you to go today and buy a notebook so that you can actually write your notes. Moving to the next very, very important thing or very important point that we have is to use of the flow chart and the diagram. I'm sure you would have seen we have such long chapters, right? We have chapters which are 15, 20 pages. To concise it, when you are making notes, try to make notes in a form of flow chart. Like this we have over here, the structure of cell, we have cell boundary, protoplasm, we have divided in such a way that we have the information with us. And more further, you can break it down and then write the important points. So, the effective notes that you're making, right, are the notes that you understand. So make flowcharts, right? Use the hand-made diagram. If you can draw the diagram, well and good. Make a diagram and write the important points around it. In this way, you will be able to retain that information for the longest time, right? You will remember, okay, which part is over here, what is the important function that it has. So, point number 2 is to use the flow charts, diagrams, formula sheets, and other important things. Mind maps also will come into this. Moving next, let's talk about something which is very, very important. There are times we feel कि why to waste the time? Let's टेक द ज़ेरॉक्स, है ना? आपके दोस्त ने नोट्स बनाए हैं और आप उसका ज़ेरॉक्स लेके बोलोगे हमारे पास एकदम बढ़िया नोट्स हैं. नोट्स वो होते हैं जो हमें समझ में आए. And you will understand the notes the best if you're writing in your own words. For example, if I'm writing about the cell, instead of writing the bookish language that we have, I can break it down into the points in my own language and I can use these short forms. For example, let's suppose we have the word concentration. So I can write C-O-N-C, concentration, maximum, minimum. I'm sure you would have seen this. All of these are the important short form. So point number 3 talks about that. When you're writing the notes, try to write in your own words, in your own language. For example, whatever you understand, just write in your own words. Most importantly, everyone, remember this thing, that your notes are for you to revise. It will not be going for an auction के best notes of the word. So notes अपने लिए बनाइए जो आपको समझ में आए और short forms use कीजिए जो आपको समझ में आए. Very, very important. So point number 3 was that. Moving to the point number 4, जहाँ पे मैंने बात की थी different pens की. So use different color pen to highlight the important words. Notes आपने बना लिए हैं और सब अच्छे से हो गया है. Revise करते time you can highlight the important points that are there. That actually help you to remember the important points. वो जो word आपको हमेशा दिख जाएगा, right? And ये आपको easily recall भी हो जाएगा when you're writing in the examination. So use different colors to highlight the important points. इसके अलावा a bonus tip, हम ऐसे boxes बना सकते हैं. We can put the star mark or the double tick. डबल टिक टेक्निक है जो बताती है कि अगर 2 बार अगर टिक दिखा तो क्या होगा पता है? योर ब्रेन विल से ओह वी नो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो यूज सच थिंग दैट विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू टू रिकॉल थिंग्स बेटर. नाउ दैट वी आर क्लियर विद दिस, राइट, इफ वी क्विकली रिकॉल अबाउट आवर लॉन्ग नोट्स. हमें पता है कि ये रेगुलर नोट्स हैं, डिटेल्ड में लिखने चाहिए हमको, हमें अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है इनको. वी हैव टू राइट इन अ नोटबुक. Please make sure you're writing these notes in your own language, use of different color pens to write and highlight the important points, right? And use of the short words and, these short forms that actually can help you to concise the topic. Use of a flow chart and the diagrams or the mind maps and other techniques that we have. So that's all about the long notes. Let's talk about the short notes. Short notes is shorts, right? Or we can say short notes are short notes. Now let's discuss about the short notes. Short notes mean we just have 2 very important things. Short notes, very important thing. If you're making short notes, remember that you have to make the notes of one chapter either in 1 page or the 2 page. Let's suppose you have a big A4 sheet paper, or if you have a notebook, right? If you have a notebook, and let's suppose you have this page of a notebook. Then you start from here, the important topics, right? Break it down. What are the first topic that you have? The important points into that. Second topic, important points. Third topic, important points. And try to write or try to summarize a whole chapter in this particular way. One chapter you give maximum of 2 pages or 1 page for sure. In this way, what will happen? You will be able to recall the whole chapter by just looking at the 1 page of your notebook. That's such an easy thing, right? During the revision, these notes will come really very handy for you. And short notes are really very helpful just before the examination. 10 days before the examination, month before the examination. Now, you cannot sit and make long detailed notes just before 2 months or 3 months before the examination also, because we have such a huge syllabus, be it in physics, chemistry, or in biology, or in maths also, right? So it's very important for all of us to have the short notes. For maths people, right, we have the formula sheet, right, all the important formulas. So that actually helps. So in short notes, one of the important thing, One chapter in one page. And most importantly, only important points in line. Now, when you're making the short notes, you don't have to elaborate. You don't have to write the theories. You just have to write the important line or important word that will remind you of that particular concept. So in this way, what will happen? You will be able to recall things really very easily just before your examination. So we have discussed about the two types of notes, long notes and short notes. I hope that you have got an understanding about it. You'll be like, yes ma'am, this information we already know. There are times, even if we know the information, there are various mistakes that we are doing that can cause a little bit of hurdle in our journey. So let's see what are the mistakes that you should be avoiding if you are making the notes and if you're preparing for JEE or NEET. First important thing everyone, while making the notes, don't spend your time in beautifying it, right? कि नहीं, मैं पहले रफ में लिखूंगा या फिर रफ में लिखूंगी फिर मैं फेयर में करूंगी. No, you don't have time for that. So write directly the notes in the class and in your notebook only. Don't have two notebooks, rough and fair notebook. नहीं, एक ही नोटबुक बनाइए और उसी में नोट्स जब आप क्लास में जा रहे हैं, मैम मेरा टीचर कुछ भी बोल रहा है या बोल रहे हैं, फटाफट से नोट्स वहीं पे बना लीजिए. हैव शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. अब यहाँ पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैंडी आएंगे. राइटिंग इन योर ओन वर्ड्स हैंडी आएगा. जो भी बता रहे हैं वो कुछ नहीं लिखना है, जो इंपॉर्टेंट है बस वो ही नोट करना है. सो राइट डायरेक्टली इन योर क्लास ओनली एंड डोंट ब्यूटिफाई इट. Second important point, write the notes only after understanding the topic. Now what happens, we are writing, let's suppose a teacher is dictating and teacher is writing 5 different points in a big sentence. And because we don't understand the topic, we will just be blindly copying the content without knowing whether we have an understanding about that or not. So please do not repeat this mistake if you are doing it. Understand the topic and then only write it in your notes. When you're doing this, you will be able to write in your own words and you will be able to recall better. Third point, right? Writing the notes on pages. This is a habit I have seen with various students, right? So many students will be carrying those beautiful white pages and they're like, हाँ हम इसमें लिखेंगे. But what happens eventually? Paper मिलते ही नहीं हैं, right? So please make sure you are writing your notes in a notebook and not in a piece of paper because there are chances that you might lose the paper once you really need it. Last but most important point, copying everything directly from the textbook. While making the notes, what we do is that we have a textbook open and what we do, beautifully, we'll start copying everything which is there in our textbook. This is the worst mistake that we can do while making the notes and we should definitely avoid it. अगर हमें लिखना ही है तो वो तो बुक में है, हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं? So try to avoid copying everything from the textbook. If you do all of this right, I'm sure your notes will be super awesome and those notes will be helping you to ace your examination and clear your examination. So everyone, with this, I will end my session. I hope that all of you have find this session really very helpful and please make sure to write down in the comment section below and tell us that what we can do more for you. What are the topics that you are looking for? Apart from our classes, we understand that you need help in different areas altogether. So please write down in the comment section and tell us that how you felt about this video and what are the other topics that we can bring on our channel so that we are helping you in the whole journey of becoming a doctor or an engineer. So please make sure everyone to hit the like button for the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll be meeting really very soon and till that time do take care of yourself and keep on learning with us. Bye bye.